Ever wanted to dress like your favorite star? Us too! I'm Ruby Carp. Me and my friends try on the most outrageous celebrity looks. This is the Dressing Room Challenge. Up first, Kylie in this $8,000 crystal romper she wore for her 21st birthday. Perfect for a night in.
I feel like a fairy that got its wings taken away from them.
I feel like a sparkly sausage.
Where are my wings?
No, I would never wear this.
I look like when your teacher tries to dress up for Halloween and it's just weird. And it doesn't work.
What does that do for like chafing? Cause like, can you hear?
I would like to make a return. That's what this is.
I don't know how Kylie Jenner pulled this off, but she did it because she is her and she can do anything apparently.
Okay, I get it. I get it.
Kylie turned dining out into another street style moment when she wore this pink skin-tight latex dress.
She's paparazzi ready. Girl, you can't walk in her.
I can't move my legs farther than this.
At this point, I don't even think I'm chafing. I think it's just like full on burn.
I feel like I belong in a Nicki Minaj music video.
You are not dancing in her.
This is what my 8-year-old self envisioned my cool teenage self dressing like.
Listen to this.
Kylie caused everyone in West Hollywood to do a double take when she went out wearing this very supportive nude jumpsuit.
Oh no, my boobs are not contained by this.
If my nipple comes out, I'm so sorry.
Kylie, I love you, but this was not made for a busty girl.
Sorry, I'm just breathing.
I love it so much. I'm about to go buy it tomorrow. I'm about to wear this everywhere.
I don't feel like I can walk around without my boobs falling out of this jumpsuit.
This is cute.
So cute.
Kylie set Snapchat on fire in this red-hot outfit to reveal her summer 2018 makeup collection.
Where does this go? This is honestly a power suit.
I love this. It gives me very Britney. Oops, I did it again.
And now for the sit test.
I don't even know how to do this.
I can absolutely sit down. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching The Dressing Room. For more videos like this, please subscribe to 17's YouTube channel.
I'm afraid to move.